everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today we are going to be making a Taco Bell style Mexican pizza. This recipe is a hit with my kids and I hope you like it too. I would love if you would take a minute to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. For the taco meat, 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. For the Mexican pizza sauce, 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. And for the Mexican pizzas, 1 package of street taco sized tortillas, 1 can of refried beans, 2 cups of shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, sliced black olives, and chopped green onions. First, make the taco meat. Brown the ground beef and then add the tomato sauce and taco seasoning. Set aside. To crisp the tortillas, place them on a baking sheet and brush them with oil. Bake at 400 degrees for 5 minutes, and then flip them over to bake an additional 3 to 5 minutes until the tortillas have begun to brown. For the Mexican pizza sauce, pour the tomato sauce into a bowl, then mix in the chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, salt, and oregano. To assemble the Mexican pizzas, spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of warmed refried beans on the bottom tortilla. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of taco meat. Then top with 1 to 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese. Place another crispy tortilla on top of the cheese, then spread with 1 to 2 tablespoons of the pizza sauce. Top with more shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, black olives, and green onions. Bake the Mexican pizzas at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted. The full recipe for these Mexican pizzas is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more recipes if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.